1977 GT750 Suzuki, 3-cylinder water-cooled street bike. It was considered the grandfather of all street bikes and the first real superbike. Had a 12.6 quarter mile straight out of the box, one of the quickest bikes, exception the Kawasaki H2, a few tenths of a second faster. But this, with the water cooling, the engine was really designed to do 60,000 miles plus, where the Kawasaki couldn't do that very well. 535 pounds weight and 70 horsepower. And really, really great machines. Very modern ride, and just different from a lot of bikes that are made today, of course. 72 to 77, and then 78, the smog regulations came around and ended this model. This bike was bought out of Kitchener, Canada. It was a basket case in a series of boxes and bags, and after 2.5 years, we got it back on the road and basically not just reconditioned, rebuilt. Not only rebuilt, but manufactured like new again. So it drives just like any other brand new bike would ride.